flying on the road, we can say.
Yes. Nothing, you can not see anything near close. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to watch Man X Grand Prix, and that is the last lap of that Grand Prix. So of course it will be very exciting, and this is on the same track as the Isle of Man TT. So I think so it will be very interesting to watch. So let's watch this
Video.
Oh, such a close race. Oh, there is another guy.
He's very fast.
Yes. Andy Farrell. Oh my god. Suddenly if the front one brakes very hard, all three crash. They are so close.
It's very shaky, huh? This is very dangerous.
Yes. Oh, he shaked a bit more.
Because the speed is so high.
Wow, the control. What he was doing at the back? At that speed he was doing that. You can't even see the
I
track.
can't even blink my eyes like more than from 1 to 2 seconds.
Just watching it is very dangerous. Another guy goes by. He's going at full speed. How is somebody able to cross him?
Oh, he's increasing the speed.
Wow. Come on, defeat him. You know, my heart is pounding.
Yeah.
Wow.
But this is very scary, na, to overtake someone who's at no speed.
They're so close. Sometimes light, sometimes shadow.
Oh, both are going very high.
Nobody is
Looks like,
stopping.
the aggression and the desperation.
And the tension of the last lap.
Yeah. Oh, you're so close. I guess he's not.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. There he goes. On that turn. The good thing is they don't defend that hard, that they push each other.
No, it's
Because-
not allowed. Yeah, of course.
They know that it is.
And there's no game. And that's called cheating.
No, in some games that is allowed.
Really?
We saw that Australian Bathurst. In that it is allowed.
Oh.
How he's just like this only.
Yeah. At turning points, it's very tough.
Front wheel slides. Oh. His neck would be so powerful.
Oh,
Oh, yeah!
oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is scary.
My
But it
heart would be in my
there.
mouth.
Yeah.
At that speed. Wow.
Simply not flying. It's flying on the road, we can say.
Yes. Nothing, you can not see anything near close. Whoa! Oi!
Looks like I'm in a ride of something like, some ride. An unstoppable ride.
I will be continuously going like stop.
Mouth will be, Oh.
He's closing them down. The bike's in front.
Oh. This is rapid. Ah! Oh my god.
So much concentration.
But I could not see the road.
Oh! Only crazy people do this. We have seen all the videos from audience point of view.
Yeah.
So this is the first time. Oh.
Oh, we have seen the chin camera one, na?
Yeah. But this, I think, so is much more dangerous.
Yeah.
Because this is on the bike and it is showing all that, minor gyrations also. Wow. Oh. He's going so fast. These are regular roads.
Oh, the high speed. Ah, that was so close.
Yes. It was like he was touching the pavement. Oh wow. It is even nauseous to see this for the whole time. This. Imagine how he would be feeling. Oi.
You might think, after going home that like I'm still driving or something like that, because if we travel a lot, like suppose in train or in a plane, we feel like we are still in that when we go to sleep.
Yeah.
I think this also happens with him.
Oh, finally, slow speed. Did he complete it? No.
Oh,
He was correcting the camera
oh my
at that
God.
speed.
I cannot even wave
Ah.
at that time.
Wow. Now this is too fast and jittery.
Yeah,
Ah! It's like I am falling into hell.
yeah. And if this would be the ride, I would have closed my eyes. I don't want
Actually.
to see that. If I die, I just die. I don't want to see.
Wait. Wow. Oh my God. How much practice would it need? He's crazy fast. I think so. He has taken the lead from the people who are at the back.
Yeah, maybe.
There are 1-2 people ahead of him. Okay, this is the proper braking zone, and now you push. So lap is over. Wow. That was one scary lap because like seeing him go so fast through everything was crazy, and even one time he even slid, and after that he was able to control his bike. So that just shows how much concentration and how much practice they need, because he was even correcting the camera, he was correcting something at the back. Wow.
This was crazy because we often see people driving at high speed like on a normal basis or a regular basis. So what we think is they are crazy and how what he's trying or what he or she is trying to show, by the speed. But I would say driving at this speed, and you have to beat other people also, and you have to reach at some point of the time, and that is very tough because he was correcting the camera and he was adjusting the things, and he also have to focus on this and that, the turning points, the wind pressure and everything at the same time. I think that is very tough.
Actually, so what do you guys think about it? Do let us know in the comment section below. So do like, share, and
Subscribe.
bye.